In this video, I'm going over day 59 of the homework for Unit 6 for sampling distributions and confidence intervals. To start, we need to identify the population, parameter, sample, and statistic. We can start by saying that the population is U.S. adults and the sample is 3,278 U.S. adults. Next, the statistic is the percent of adults who can correctly interpret a scatter plot, which is given at 63%. And finally, the parameter, which is the true proportion of adults, U.S. adults who can interpret a scatter plot. Next, we have to construct and interpret a 90% confidence interval for the parameter. First, we need to verify that all conditions are met. The prompt states that the sample is random, so it is met. Next, we do the 10% condition for the independence, and we can assume that 3,278 is less than 10% of total U.S. adults. And finally, the normal distribution by doing n times p is greater than or equal to 10, and n times 1 minus p is greater than or equal to 10, which is also met. To start our confidence interval, we use the equation p hat plus or minus z star times the square root of p hat times 1 minus p hat over n. Next, we'll find z star. In this case, we are looking for a 90% confidence interval, so we can use inverse norm to find that it is 1.65. Finally, after plugging in all the numbers, we get 0.63 plus or minus 0.0391. Our final interval comes out to be 0.616 to 0.644. In conclusion, we are 90% confident that the interval from 0.616 to 0.644 will contain the true proportion of U.S. adults who can interpret a scatter plot.